Whiskey Alpha 6, Oscar Sierra X-ray 59188. Thanks for 238, QRZ. This here is Golf Oscar Charlie 59189.
Hello! Yes, I can't believe it. My radio is working, and it's about, what time is it? It's 11:30 this morning in Florida, and I got everything put back together. I cleaned that one remaining switch that was noisy and started turning the bands, and it seems to be working fine. All the functions seem to be working. I'm now listening to an amateur band, 14.192. Then he's gone. He was talking. There he is.
Whiskey America 8 Japan kilowatt Zanzibar, 59190, and I copy your 599.
And this is in single sideband mode, and I've had it on for about 20 minutes, and I've not noticed any drifting of the frequencies, which the real old radios, the tube radios, typically had a problem with drifting unless they had some circuitry to prevent the drift. This is all solid state. But even solid states can still drift, and has been doing a very good job.
Thanks for number 20, kilowatt.
This is Kilowatt Yankee 3 Whiskey is his call sign. I just looked him up, and he's in Pennsylvania, in the United States, of course, and he's coming in loud and clear. And he's been working a lot of people for the half hour that I've had the radio on and tuned him in. Like I say, all the functions work. The pre-selector tune works perfect. The attenuator works. The light, of course, works. The selectivity, narrow and wide, works. I got it on narrow right now. Attenuation works. Like I say, it's almost noontime, which is really not a good time for reception for me in my area. But, you know, I wanted to get the radio put back together and see if all the functions work. So I thought, what the heck, it seems to be working. Let me record that. This station is way down in the mud. The S meter is 0. Now it sounds like it drifted a little bit. And, you know, conditions are changing, so his signal's getting a little weaker. Yeah, I'm starting to lose him. Oh, there he is. That was somebody else I was hearing. So he's still there. It's still right on frequency, so it didn't drift as I thought it had. And he is on upper sideband, 14.192 megahertz. And you can really see when you use this pre-selector tune, it makes a big difference. Now, it may be just that it's detuning the circuit, so it makes it seem like it's working. So I'm right on 15 megahertz on the scale, and if I tune it at all, you can see the signal goes way down. Still there, but it's way down. So the dial is right on, and we can go to a different band and get away from the amateurs and just see what's on AM. So let's switch over to AM, and let's go down to yeah, let's just go up. There's still an amateur, and he's loud. He's on the sideband, so I gotta go back to sideband. He's stopped. Oh, there he is. He may be on lower sideband. Stop talking so I can't tune. I can't seem to track him. He's transmitting very intermittently. Whoop. Yeah, I think he's on lower sideband. I think he's right at the top of the amateur band. I'm at 14.303 right now. And he's not talking. There he is. Yep. 14.3. Okay. Let's go back to AM. Looks like that's about it. Let's see if we can tune all the way up to 15 megahertz. Yep, there's WWV 15 megahertz. Pretty weak. The S meter's just barely moving. Might be able to get something down at 11 megahertz. Okay, we're down to 11 megahertz. I'll tune down. There's something pretty loud. This meter went up. Sounds like a Spanish-speaking transmission. Something there. Spanish again. Oh. The other thing is, find that station again. Where'd it go? Here it is. The one disadvantage of a pre-selector is that if you, not if, but when you change frequencies, you have to retune the pre-selector. So I've gone way down in frequency. I've gone from 14 megahertz down to 11.7. So I got to retune this. Plus, I've got to select another band. So I'm in the 4.5 to 12 megahertz band. And so I'm going to use this scale here. And I want to get 11. So we turn the sound back up. Now the S meter went way up when I got up to about 11, but the actual signal itself didn't go up much. Yep, let's peak there. Okay, let's go back down some more. See, this is, it's different people have different things they enjoy listening to shortwave radio. I enjoy finding stations, excuse me, and I enjoy, tuning things in manually. Now, modern shortwave radio, such as a portable radio or even my Grundig 750, you basically set everything up and you just turn it off. You just tune. That's all you do. You tune. There's no pre-selector to fool with. You just tune. To me, that's not as exciting as, tuning, changing the pre-selector, changing the RF gain, whatever. So that's just my preference. Ooh. That must be close by. Full scale.
Estamos escuchando su música cantante. Y vamos con una canción más, amigos, de su disco.
That must be close by.
Esta vez es un...
Another one there. Pretty weak. Whoa. Something there. Full scale. You don't hear any audio, but it's full scale, so it's a strong signal. I can hear audio underneath. And now that's the other thing about these old radios is that when you're tuning across the band, you could have a lot of RF noise, which is what you're witnessing here. And then when you find a station, if it's a strong station, it'll override that noise. So something weird is happening right now, in that I've got almost full scale, but I have no audio, but I can hear very faintly and clear the station down in the mud. And it's 11.435, full scale. And I can hear music down there, but it's not that. It's changing, obviously. So let's turn this audio back down. Go on. Big noise there. was something that it was pretty wide there. .05, about an S7 or S8. Oops, get my finger over here. Coming and going. That's typical shortwave. See if I can tune the pre-selector a little bit. There we go. Now let's see if attenuation will help. Nope, that kills it. Let me check. I got the computer on, and excuse me for going in front of the camera. Let me just see what 1105 is. Nope. Comes up nothing. So it's probably another local Spanish station. So let's just while I'm over at the computer and sitting in front of the camera, let me see what's on right now. In English. Shh. Boy, that thing gets noisy in a hurry. In English. Go. Okay, let's see what I should be able to hear around 11 megahertz. Fine, 11 megahertz. Come on, where's 11 megahertz? I should go down to 9. There's a lot on 9 megahertz. Come on, 11 megahertz. Man, it's a long list. Okay, 11.5 is the Overcomer Ministry. I don't know if I got that or not. Let's go back. 11.5. Nope, I'm not hearing anything there. Lots of noise. Yeah, there's something weak there. Mostly noise. Let me turn my monitor off, see if it makes any difference. Nope. No difference. Okay, let's see anything else up there, and then I'm gonna call it quits. 11,600. Whoa. Now, is that Cuban station? Or Spanish? Nope, nothing on 11.6. So I guess that is not on the air right now. Okay. Anyway, it appears that I'm in the way. It appears the realistic DX-302 has been revived and is alive and well. So if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you have a few seconds, please do a share. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon. It's really a nice day in Florida today.